Righto moto campers, welcome back to Brownie's Midlife Adventure. Here I go again, camping. You can tell I'm going camping, look at the weather. That'd be right, wouldn't it? But don't worry, you folks sit at home and enjoy the video, and I'll go out camping and take one for the team. Alright, let's do it. Yep, here we go, definitely camping weather. I'm up on the Atherton Tablelands. We're just south of Lake Timaru, where we were a couple of weeks ago camping. And if you didn't see that video, check that link up over that way, and watch that later if you want. But yeah, no, story of my life, I go camping, it starts raining. It's been beautiful weather for nearly a week. But we'll head out West Irvinebank, hopefully it's a bit dry out there, and camp tonight. Then come back into the rainforest and camp another night in the bush there and head home. So just a couple of nights camping. Alright, let's plug along. There we go, campers. Irvinebank, another old tin mining town from the early days. Not much happening out here now. Just a pub, a couple of old residents. But yeah, we'll head into town. There's a little campground. Little free place to go camping in the park, straight across the road from the pub. So we'll sneak in there. My camera's recording. Sneak in there and we'll throw our tent up, and she'll be bonza. So yes, a lot of these buildings are probably mostly abandoned. That's the old bank there, Commonwealth Bank on the left, that brick building with the big veranda. The old Irvinebank Hall. Now I don't know if there's too many campers in here. We might, I might just nick off over towards Petford. There's a couple of spots along a creek there we can probably pull off at. As you all know, I like camping by myself, somewhere peaceful and quiet. Not sure. I want to be away from anyone noisy as well. Might go back around this way and have a look, shall we? See what we can see. Don't know if we can get right down in the bushes here, maybe. Decisions. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe just over here. I think this will do. There we go, Irvinebank Park, the free campground. Got the tent set up. A few other campers in here. But tomorrow morning I think I'll throw the drone up and we'll have a bit of a look around town as well.
just cooking some dinner up. Now I might skip back, watch a movie I think. There you go, beautiful sunny morning over in Irvinebank. We're just heading back towards Atherton and have a look at the clouds up there. I've got no internet, so I can't look at the radar. I'm not sure what's going on with the weather. But, hopefully that's just lots of thick fog and not too much rain. So we'll find out soon. Nice little town. A bit wetter than Mariba. Mariba's about 35 minutes up the road. A bit drier in Mariba, a bit wetter in Atherton. Temperature is nice and fresh, 18.5, if you can see it down on the dash down there. Now what's next for the main street? Head towards Mariba and then we'll turn east and make our way over to Davies Creek. Davies Creek camping area, 6 kilometres. We're going to go to the upper Davies Creek camp area. There are a few different camping spots in here. Cairns is pretty much well straight over the hills here, over the other side there. We've got the Cairns city, not that far away, it's probably only 20 kilometres over the mountains. Okay, we'll swing in here and have a look. And like I said, hopefully no one's there, or they've already left, or they didn't show up because it was raining yesterday, and they're still there. So we'll go and chuck our hammock up somewhere and have a camp. Come to the end of this track. It's an old logging trail. You can see the old concrete bridge here behind us. This is part of the Kelpellam Rock walking track now. It's an old logging track, goes most of the way up the mountain, believe it or not. But yeah, so the other campers, they're still there at the campground number 3. So I'll wait till they bugger off. I mean, my check-in's not until 2 o'clock and it's only 10 to 10. So I'm a bit early, so what I might do is have a cup of coffee and a cookie. What do you reckon? Sounds good to me. Now the coffee I was talking about, groundeddrops.com, brewing memories. So I've got the wafer. They're quite a clever little design. You tear the top off, open them up, and those little paper things, wings fold out, and you sit them in your cup, and you basically just pour your hot water in, drip it, and let it brew. So that's what we might do, I think. Righto, let's get this coffee going, shall we? Grounded airdrop, what was it? Groundeddrops.com. Check them up online, I'll put a link down the bottom there. But I had a coffee this morning over at Irvinebank. It was the first time I'd had one. Bloody good. Good idea. Get our little mini mow out, the jet oil. A spoon. And our trusty cup. Now, the last video I done, I did mention, not last video, maybe the video before, I did mention these little soft pack bags. Like I said, they're pretty good, they're great. Come in handy all the time. We'll get some water for that coffee too. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? I'll do it this way. Let's measure it with the cup. I haven't got that much drinking water left. And that'll do us. Well, there we go, boiling away already. Let's turn that off. Or down. So you've got these little paper wings. You just pull them. Oh, hang on, before we do that, you've got to open. So tear the top off. And now open your little wings here, and they just open up like this. Drop them over your cup. They sit there like that. Grab your cooked water. And let's get that out of the way, and then just drip it into here. Now this morning I just filled it up and just let it drip through, and when that's gone all the way through, just filled it up and away I went again. I can smell it. It smells pretty darn good. Oh, we lost it. What a lovely spot to have a coffee, eh? Look at this. Have a look back here. Peaceful, no one around, just the way I like it. But yeah, like I said, check out their website, groundeddrops.com, an Australian company. I'm sure they'll ship probably anywhere in the world, you'd have to check with them. But like I said, there's the link down the bottom, it's even written on the bag, groundeddrops.com. Well, I think they're an Australian company. I've got my glasses on, I can't read it. Oh, that's smelling pretty damn good. Just a bit of water in there, let that drip through. And I do have some almond milk here. Now I did notice this morning, if I pick that up, let's let that drip through a bit more. When you fold these paper things here back in, you can kind of give it a bit of a squeeze, it doesn't burn your fingers. Look at that. Wow, yeah baby. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Cheers. Yeah, that's good. That's actually good coffee. I think I'll be buying that again. I only bought a small bag just to suss it out. Yeah, it was one of the smaller bags they had on their website, so I grabbed that. I think it was the strongest one, like strong coffee. So yeah, I think after this bag, I'll get a bigger bag. Here we are at Davies Creek National Park campground. This is camp number 3. So we've just pulled up on the bike. Old mate that was here the night before, he's only just buggered off. So we're straight in after him. And I reckon we'll chuck our tent up just down in here somewhere, right beside the water. How good is this? And then I reckon we can bring the bike down in here. I reckon that'll be the go. Morning campers. It was a bit fresh last night. I had my minus, I don't know what it is, minus 10 sleeping bag, and I was freezing cold all night. I slept with this on. I had the hoodie on my head. I might even turn the bike on. There's the key. Get the key out of my secret hiding place. Ah, fuck! What was that? Holy moly! That's It was a it was a slug. Big brave bushman here. Fingers all slimy now. Oh, I come down the creek, washed my hands. This is what happens when you just wake up. Look, he must have been sleeping on my key, that slug. Man, that's mega slimy. Oh, at least it wasn't a snake. Here's me out, taking one for the team, making another video for you. The stress of it, having to get out, try and knock a video out each week. Tough life, someone's got to do it. Hey look, if you enjoyed the video today, give it the thumbs up. And if you're new here, you want to see some more of this, smash the subscribe button and the notification bell. I chuck a new video up every Sunday. Well, I try to put one up every Sunday, 6 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time, which is +10 UTC, so you can work that out wherever you are in the world. But if you smash that notification bell, that'll tell you when a new video's out. But till then, I'd say take it easy, enjoy, see you in the next one. Hooroo!